Welcome back to Tulum. We are here with another Airbnb tour of an amazing villa from the same owner of our previous Airbnb that you'll see in the link down below. So when you first enter the villa, there's an outdoor seating area and trees. It's got a really cool jungle vibe, super laid back. And it's really just a few blocks from downtown. So you can walk to town, maybe about a 5 to 10 minute walk, and you're right there with a bunch of restaurants and shops. So as you come back in, you get to see the main feature of the villa. This amazing pool that's right in the center, right between the two bedrooms. The pool has a great lounge area on each side and a bridge in the middle to connect the two bedrooms. Some sun chairs on one side. It's a really cool bridge to walk across that you can swim right underneath. Table for brunch. Shade exactly where you need it. And a beanbag seating area on the other side, perfect to read a book. So this is the entrance to the second bedroom. The bedrooms are in separate buildings. This bedroom has 2 queen-size beds and a kitchen with an espresso machine, a sink, a full-size fridge and freezer, and a beautiful bathroom area. You have a hammock hanging up in the closet, a nice sink, extra supplies, safe, curtain to hide the toilet, a ladder for your towels, and a nice walk-in shower with an amazing rainfall shower head. The villa also features handmade organic toiletries. Then you walk across the bridge and you get to the main bedroom. You have more seating outside. Beautiful palm trees. And directly inside the doors you have another hammock. TV. And a king-size bed. This room also features a full kitchen, full-size fridge, which the chef that's connected to the Airbnb was kind enough to stock for us. Thanks, Chef Jesus. Freezer, great for keeping your tequila cold. A sink, and there was a potable water jug. And then you have another beautiful bathroom. This might be the largest tub I've ever seen. It's got candles around it. You can see the palm trees through the window in the back and another rainfall shower head. We booked brunch with the chef and it was amazing. Make sure you do that. And his link is down below as well. Thank you for joining us. And if you'd like the details, just send us a message.